Alright guys, it's mail time and it's also Halloween time. So happy Halloween to all of you out there. But this is my favorite time of the day. I went to the mailbox and I got a package. I think I know what this is. Aha. Yes. Tiege Hanley. So I got an email from a nice guy, Joshua at Tiege Hanley, and he said, "Hey, average guy, I'd like to send you some of our products because you're looking scruffy and you're looking old. And we want to take care of you." So they sent me products. Tiege Hanley makes a series of products to help men look their best. And God knows I need some help. So Joshua, I want to thank you for this nice care pack. And I'm going to unbox it for you guys, and I'm going to do a full review of their services. Now, what's really cool about Tiege Hanley is they have sort of like a course, if you will, a set of products that they design for you. It takes the worry out of it. It takes the fuss and, I mean, we're men. This is all new, even if you're a metrosexual. All of this fussing over your skin and whatnot is new. Men need to be managed. All right, let's look in this care kit. And this is the official unboxing. Thank you, Joshua. All right, so it comes in here with a nice thank you for your order.
Welcome to Tiege Hanley, an uncomplicated skincare company for men. The Tiege Hanley system is designed to be a 30-day program. If you're a Tiege.com subscriber, you can adjust your schedule simply. Log into your account and tell us how often to send you a fresh system. Please follow the simple instructions on the back of this card closely for obtaining and subscribing to amazing skin.
And right back here, there are all the different options. So it's the morning and what to do in the evening. Additional, and this is really cool. So let's check it out. And this comes to you. This is a 30-day trial or a 30-day system, and it comes to you with a nice package. It's like a present. So let's look in here and see what we have. We have a daily face wash. Very nice light fragrance because we're men, right? All right. This is for the eyes. AM/PM anti-aging eye cream. All right, so you see under here with these bags here, anti-aging eye cream. I need that. I'm wondering if they have anything for growing hair. All right, let's see. Anti-aging facial serum. And we also have a scrub. 2 per week facial exfoliating scrub. And this is for morning. This is an AM. See, clearly marked for us men because we need help. So in the morning, you're scrubbing your face with that. And the bedtime facial moisturizer. And you see right there, PM. All in this nice fancy little kit from my man Josh. Very nice. So I will do a full review and give you guys more information about Tiege Hanley products. But I figured I would quickly get this out and do an unboxing of all these products. And that's pretty nice. I will leave a link in the description box below so you can check out the products for yourselves. And I will be doing a full review. Toot sweet. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. And like Joshua, send me your products for review. Send them to me. Just reach out to me and I will review pretty much anything you send me within reason. And I'm always amenable to food. If you want to send me food or drinks. Oh, and happy Halloween, by the way. Be safe out there in all your silly costumes. And I'll see you next time, which is probably going to be tomorrow. Keep pushing play, y'all. And I'm going to go put on some daily face wash.
Daily face wash. AM/PM anti-aging eye cream. I need that, boy. Super serum. See that? Morning facial moisturizer. And this is a scrub. 2 times per week. Look at that, simple. 2 times per week. So you don't overdo it. Bedtime facial moisturizer. You gotta love it.